Construction makes our cities better, but it's also dangerous. It's the third most fatal industry in Australia, according to the latest statistics. Our client BMCA is a construction assurance company that aims to reduce these numbers through auditing. Failure to comply with regulations might result in more than $240,000 penalty and a loss of reputation as well. BMCA needs to manage a number of audit documents in a well-organized way, so it finds out potential risks more efficiently, which helps secure a safer construction. However, BMCA is currently paying $2,000 a year for an ineffective auditing application that does not suit their needs. So here comes Audical, a simple, flexible, and reliable auditing software that truly satisfies BMCA's needs. Audical uses Angular and React Native, two of the most comprehensive and stable major platforms for web and mobile applications respectively. They are super flexible, trusted by millions of developers with large supporting communities, so you'll never be concerned about the maintenance or technical updates afterwards. It also uses Firebase, a secure and visualized database endorsed by Google, to finally make the app user-friendly without hurting performance. Apart from this, Audical follows the agile development process, which keeps a strong connection between developers and the client, making responsive updates very quickly to secure the actual demands are always satisfied. Under this process, Audical changes a lot, not just on coding, but also the UI design, becoming closer to the client's expectations step by step. We do not ignore any subtle issue as long as it's about user experience. So finally, our product is just simple and super easy to use. Audical also helps create an efficient and collaborative workflow. The manager can make or review forms in the office within just a few steps, or use previous work as templates to get things done even faster. At the same time, the staff can record and check on forms on mobile devices in the workplace. Feel free to upload some photos to reflect what you have seen in the most direct way. Our product also allows any new forms uploaded by the web app, which means they can use this product for the future expansion or sell this to other similar companies with small changes. Audical makes construction auditing easier and clearer, so our clients can save money with improved efficiency and make the construction safer in one go. Simple, flexible, and reliable. This is Audical.